In this question, a ball is thrown from a point from top of a tower. Let's suppose this is the tower from which एक बच्चा है. There is a child who is throwing a ball upward. Suppose कर लेते हैं उसने u initial speed से बॉल ऊपर फेंकी है. Velocity at a point h meter below the point of projection. देखिए पॉइंट ऑफ प्रोजेक्शन तो यही है, ये वाले लाइन है. तो इससे मैं h मीटर्स बिलो चलता हूँ. मान लो ये h बिलो. तो यहाँ पे जो वेलोसिटी होगी, बाय द वे हियर द बॉल विल बी गोइंग डाउनवर्ड्स. ऊपर जाके ऐसा बॉल और फिर लौट के आएगा एंड सो इट विल बी गोइंग डाउनवर्ड्स एट दैट पॉइंट, है ना. तो इसको v2 बोला उन्होंने. एंड देन दे आर सेइंग कि दिस इज़ डबल द वेलोसिटी h मीटर्स अबव. h meters above, the ball will be moving upwards. Let's say that is velocity v1. So they are already given in the question that v2 will be twice of v1. ठीक है, okay, that's fine. Obviously, while going down, the speed will be more as it is gaining speed. Now they are saying कि find the maximum height reached by the ball above the top of the tower. So what we are going to do? We are making equation for v2 and v1. Clearly v1 square will be initial velocity square minus the height of that point is s, so 2gh, and v2 square will be u square minus twice acceleration is obviously here g, and the height below is minus h, so it will be plus 2gh, right? This term will not be minus, it will be plus 2gh, and we already know that v2 is twice of v1. So what can we call v2 square? So v2 square will be nothing but 4v1 square, right? v2 square is what? U square plus 2gh, and that is 4 times v1 square, which is u square minus 2gh. We can solve this. So 4u square minus u square, that will be 3u square, and 2gh plus 8gh, that is 10gh, and so hence I get u square is equal to 10gh by 3. Now they have asked maximum height to which it goes. देयर इज़ फार्मूला क्या होता है? मैक्सिमम हाइट का फार्मूला क्या होता है जब आप किसी बॉल को ऊपर प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं? द स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला इज यू स्क्वायर बाई 2g, और यू स्क्वायर आपको यहाँ मिल गया. सो ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू राइट इज 10gh बाई 3 डिवाइडेड बाई अनदर 2g. 2g cuts 10g here, so the answer will be 5h by 3. This is the maximum height above projection point, so the answer here will be third, 5h by 3. That just means कि भाई यहाँ से बॉल 5h by 3 यहाँ कहीं तक ऊपर जाएगा और फिर वहाँ पे रुक जाएगा and then it will come back, है ना. That's the meaning. So yes, that's it.